So there's two ways to set up your exponential growth function in order to solve this problem. On this diagram over here, this table over here, we can see that when the time is 0, the initial population is 80,000. I've divided by 1,000 here so that we're in thousands instead of 80,000. But we're starting with these two possible formulas, but we still have one unknown. Again, when t is 0, the initial value is 80,000. That's this number in front. And now we want to use the fact that the population doubles every 40 minutes. And by the way, t is in hours. So if I put 160,000 here equals 80,000, some base, which is what we're trying to find, will be 160,000 when t is 40 minutes or 40/60ths of an hour, which is 2/3. So how can I solve for b? Well, I could divide both sides by 80,000, get b to the 2/3, and to solve for b, I raise both sides of this equation to the 3/2 power. So 2 to the 3/2 equals b. So, and b to the 3/2 is the square root of 8, or 2 radical 2. So that's what this a of x is, and that's how I determine this base of 2 radical 2. Now, if I start with this form of exponential growth, it's the same idea. If I do set 160,000 equal to 80,000 e to the RT, I want to find this r. So this will be a 2 when I divide both sides by 80,000, e to the RT. Now, I will take the natural log of both sides. Whoops, forgot to put the value of t in there. 2/3 of an hour. So I'll put parentheses around that. A little messy, but I've got times the log of e. Let me write it 2/3 r this time. And of course, by the laws of, or properties of logarithms, I can move that e to the 2/3, or that 2/3 r out front, times the natural log of e, which is 1. So I can solve for r by multiplying both sides by 3/2. 3 log of natural log of 2 over 2. And that's the rate. And that's what I have here. Okay, so q of x is 80,000 e to, there's the rate, times time. And I'd again divide it by 1,000 so that we can get, this is your answer to the problem. After 4 hours, there'll be 5,120 thousandths of bacteria in that liquid medium. Okay, hope you understood that, and I'll stop recording.